Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Carol from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of her face like this. Now let's add the eyes. Inside on the right, draw a U shape. Then a curve across the top over to the left. Now taper the left side to a point. And color the eye in black. Next, add 2 eyelashes on the outside. Now draw the other eye in the same way to the left here. Let's draw the mouth now underneath. Draw a line across off-center towards the left side. Then a curve under to close off the mouth. Let's close off her face now. Draw a curve above the right eye. Then a longer curve across to the left. Then 2 curves down to close off the face. Let's add the ear now with a semicircle to the left. And add a small line inside. Let's start drawing her hair now. Above the left side here, draw a small line up. And then a bent curve over on the right. Now draw 2 large curves down on the left. Let's hop back to the top now and draw a large curve on top. And then one more down on the right, ending at eye level. Let's leave the hair like this for now, and we'll close it off after drawing the rest of her body. Let's draw the body now. Draw 2 short lines down for the neck. Then close it off with a curve. Now add 2 short lines out on either side. And another curve underneath to close off the top of her shirt. Let's draw the left arm now. From the left side, draw a curve over and flick it out at the end for her shoulder. Then close off her sleeve like this. Next, step in from the sleeve and draw an angled line down. Then the outside of the arm with a slightly bent line. Now add a curve across the bottom. Next, draw a curve on the right side. Then an angled line under. And add a curve across to the arm to close off the shirt. Now add a small curve inside her shirt here. Let's draw the other arm now. Draw her other sleeve on the right here like this. Now add a curve up. Draw the thumb now with a wavy line up and then curve it back down at the end. Next, add 3 fingers down like this. Now at the top, add a curve across. And then close off the hand with a wavy line. Let's add the microphone on the top of the hand now with a circular curve. And then add the curved detailed lines inside. Next, add the bottom of the microphone under the hand with a rectangle shape. Then finish off the arm with a bent line from the shirt to the microphone bottom. Now that we've finished the top part of her body, we can close off her hair now. Draw a curve on the right side down to the microphone. Then continue the same curve under between her thumb and shoulder. And add one more curve on the left side to close off her hair. Let's draw her legs now. From under the right side of her shirt, draw a long angled curve down. Then a curve across here at the top. Now add a bent line down for the other leg. And then draw the outside of the left leg with a line that dips in at the knee like this and is slightly longer. Draw the other side of the right leg in the same way. Let's add her shorts now. On the right leg, draw an angled line here. And then a curved line on the left leg. Now add a border at the bottom on both sides. Next, let's draw the zipper area. Draw a line across, and then 2 lines above it. Now add 2 lines below, but more towards the right. Let's draw the socks now. Draw 2 curves across the legs here. Then add a stripe across the top on each leg with another set of curves. Let's draw the shoes next. Under the left leg, draw the tongue of the shoe like this. Then add a line across inside. Now add a curve on the left to close off the sock. Next, under, draw a large upside down curve, making it a bit longer on the right side. Then draw the left side of the shoe with a line down. And then 2 curves across to finish off the shoe. Let's draw the other shoe now. Draw the tongue with an angled rectangle. Now curve on the left to close off the sock. Then a curve down for the back of the shoe. Next, draw the top of the shoe with an angled line out to the right. Now curve at the end here like this. Then finish off the shape of the shoe with lines across. Lastly, add one more angled line at the top of the shoe here. And that's it for Carol. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.